You don't like fireworks?
No.
No. Why? 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 You don't want to do it again?
No. I won't do it again, Daddy. No.
Okay.
No.
Why? No? You don't like it?
No, I don't like it. No.
Okay. Why don't you like
Hey,
it?
Daddy! Outside! Oh. Oh.
What?
You camera shy?
What?
Are you camera shy?
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you doing fireworks?
No,
No,
I don't
okay.
like it.
Yeah, we're not going to do them anymore. You don't like them?
I
Why?
don't.
Because they're too loud?
Yeah.
Is that why?
Look!
What?
I'm right there.
Do you want earmuffs?
No.
Over here?
No.
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 He hates them. All right. I can't believe you're from your daddy and you don't like fireworks. It's just weird.
Can't say it.
Okay.
I'm a kid.